Today we're talking about what an offer is in your marketing. I'm Shameka Volkers, a copywriter and marketer. If you're new here, tap the bell so you get notified of new videos that come out that will help you with marketing your business. So what exactly is an offer? Well, an offer is a bundling of your juiciest products that is going to benefit your prospective clients. The items in your offer need to be related so that together the bundled products helps your customers and potential customers to make a transformation. This means you are helping them to get out of their pain and into their desired situation. When you create an offer, this means that you can charge more than your competitors because you're offering so much more value. You first need to understand who you're talking to. This is critical. The first thing that you do before anything else. Who you're talking to, what do they want? What are their desires? What motivates them? What are their pain points? This is crucial because this is going to help you to create, first of all, a really good product that people actually want. And what exactly is the offer? People need to understand what the offer actually is. What do they get when they buy this offer from you? Your offer needs to be so good that people are willing to reach deep down into their pockets, pull out their money or their credit cards, and hand that over to you in exchange for your offer. Because they believe that your offer is worth way more than the money that's in their pockets. When you're creating your offer, you'll want to add in some bonuses because, well, people love free stuff. And they're gonna feel like they hit the jackpot, like they're getting extra for less. When creating your offer, add a guarantee. And here's why. People like to feel like they're buying your offer at a low risk. Let's do an example. Subscribe today for copywriting and marketing tips. For example, if you're a fitness coach, here's an offer you can create. You can have in your offer fitness videos. You can have a meal plan, grocery list, and a community where you can keep your clients motivated. Within the offer, your bonus could be a 15 to 30-minute call where you answer questions around the other things that are in the offer. And this will help your clients to get their transformation fast, your clients to other products that you may have, maybe one-on-one coaching, for example. And your guarantee within the offer could just be a simple 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning if they don't see the transformation that they want, then you will give them a refund. Of course, they would need to go through all the steps and make sure that they follow the plan in order for you to give that money back and honor the guarantee. Once you've created your offer, then buying from you is going to be a no-brainer and you'll make more sales.